Good morning. I've got a question from a student about problem 5 and problem 3 here, and they're frustrated with some of the answers. But when you're doing these problems, you have to write down the formula. The surface area of a cone. So if I have a surface area of a cone, and I'm looking at surface area. Remember, surface area is LA of a cone plus B. Excuse me, plus B. Let's erase that and get that in right. Plus B. Now, LA is pi r L, okay, plus my base, which is pi r squared. And they want me to find L, okay, and I've got a surface area here. But I'm told my surface area is 20 pi inches squared. And I'm told also that my radius is 2. So I got pi 2L plus 4 pi. Okay, and by the way, where did that 4 come from? 2 goes into r, and r squared is 4. Now I subtract 4 pi on the offset, and I get 16 pi. And I get pi 2L. Now, the next thing I'm doing is divide by 2, and I've got 8, and I'm going to divide by 2 pi, so I just got 8. All right, 8. So my slant height is 8. Okay, and just to make sure, to show that it works, we put it back in. So if I have my surface area to check, I got pi times 2 times 8 plus pi r squared, which is 2 squared. Okay, and that's 16 pi plus 4 pi. Hey, look, that's 20 pi. It totally works. So my slant height is 8, and that is inches. Now, and the second question they had, I'm going to change colors here. They're looking at find the surface area of this cone. Well, this is 10. This whole thing is 10. So that means if I'm going to find slant height, I've got to use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, remember my cone keeps going around here. And this is 12. So now I have 12 squared plus 5 squared is equal to c squared. So this is 144 plus 25 is equal to c squared. This is 169 is equal to c squared. So 13 is c, which is aka today my slant height. Because slant height's on the side. Okay, now I just wrote down that formula for surface area. SA is equal to pi RL plus pi r squared, because there's just one base. Radius is 5 times 13 plus 5 squared. So they're asking it in terms of pi. So when they do that, they are completely telling me, do not multiply it out. And this looks as if it was multiplied out. So let's check this out. Well, this is going to be, when I get this going, 65 pi plus 25 pi. That's 90 pi. Even if I was going to multiply this out, okay, this is too big, it's too small, because 90 pi is above 180, because 3 times 3.14159 is pi. So I'm looking at this 90 pi centimeters squared. Okay, and up here, by the way, it's inches squared, but we didn't need to know that for our problem. So those are the solutions for these two problems. I hope they go well. Talk to you later.